This video discusses the items on the Utilities drop-down list on the NeuralTools ribbon. As in the other Decision Tools add-ins, this is where you can change application settings for NeuralTools as a whole. Also, the bottom two options enable you to unload NeuralTools or load other Decision Tools add-ins. The Neural Net Manager item opens the following dialog box. It shows the train nets in all open workbooks and information about them. You can select any of these and click Copy to copy the train net to another Excel workbook or to a special kind of file, an NTF file. Either of these lets you then run the train net on new data without having to move the new data to the original file where the net was trained. If you click Copy, you see the following dialog box. By checking its To File option, you can specify a location and name for the new NTF file. Note that this NTF file doesn't contain any data. It contains only the rules for making predictions from given data. Later, when you have a new data set to test or predict, such as this data, you can click the Test button or the Predict button on the NeuralTools ribbon and specify the NTF file as the net to use. The Neural Net Manager also enables you to remove train nets, and it lets you replace one train net with the other. This replace option is available only if you ask for live predictions to be placed in the dataset. Then you can replace one train net with another to see the effect on live predictions. To understand the missing data utilities item, you need to realize that NeuralTools ignores cases that have any missing data on the variables being used. If you prefer to replace missing data with specific values so that these cases are not ignored, you can do so as shown in this dialog box. However, there is no guarantee that this will lead to better results. For example, if you replace all missing values of a numeric variable by the mean of its non-missing values, this might introduce values that don't fit the pattern across other cases. You should use this option with caution. Finally, the Testing Sensitivity item lets you see how sensitive the results are to the particular test cases chosen. This sensitivity option is discussed in more detail in a companion video in this guided tour series.